Sheet Set Manager on the web has been enhanced to better support the way teams organize drawings and create sheets in real production environments. These improvements are designed to streamline everyday workflows, reduce manual steps, and make managing sheet sets more intuitive and reliable. By fully adopting connected support files, teams can ensure that all related resources such as templates, title blocks, and other dependencies stay properly linked and accessible across projects. This reduces the risk of missing files and helps maintain consistency from start to finish. In addition, updates to templates and core workflows make it faster to create, modify, and organize sheets, whether you're starting a new project or building on an existing one. Reliability improvements also mean fewer interruptions and greater confidence when working in the browser. Altogether, these enhancements make Sheet Set Manager on the web a more powerful and practical tool for everyday production work.